Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 26. This is Section 1.6, Problem 26. It says multiply 76 times 41. So this time it's just written in words, but it's pretty clear what to do. So if I write it as a multiplication, I put 76, put 41 under it, draw a line, I put the big X. So now I can multiply, I start in the bottom right position, 1 times the top row, so 1 times 76. 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 7 is 7. Now I can move over to the next digit in the bottom row, which is a 4. So I multiply 4 through the top row. So now as I start multiplying, I either have to remember the next row down for my answers. I either have to move over 1 to the left or start by filling in a 0 right away. So now I can multiply 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So I put the 4 from the 24 in the column where I'm working. I carry the 2 from the 24 to the top of the next column. And now I will multiply 4 times 7 and add the 2 that I carried. 4 times 7 is 28, then 28 plus 2 more is 30. And now I can add those columns. 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. So now for the 11 I have to carry, I take the 1 from the right half of the 11, put it in the column where I'm working, take the 1 from the left half of the 11 and carry it to the top of the next column. And then I would add 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is just 1. And finally the last column to the left, nothing plus 3 is just 3. If you like, you can put in a comma after the 3. So the answer is 3,116.